So now what happened?
Here's some toys right here. See? Look.
Whoa, what'd you get?
I got these Easter Bunny Bratzies. See all the footprints that the Easter Bunny do?
Oh, did he eat carrots?
The Easter Bunny ate them.
Whoa.
I want to put the... See? Look. They brought stuff for me.
Wow. It's pretty nice.
And look at what the Easter Bunny brought me.
What is it?
It's a unicorn.
Wow. We'll go put Baby Violet down and let's look at this stuff.
There's another egg. What's in there? And there's another one. What's in there?
I don't know.
And there's another egg. I can't walk in the foot. I can't walk in the footprints until you vacuum.
Okay, I'll vacuum them, bud.
Hey, look at these.
What'd you get?
Uh,
We'll put the eggs down real quick and tell me what you got over here quick. What do you see there? No. What do you see on the side of the Easter basket?
the Easter basket here.
Yeah.
It's Dominic Stuffins.
What?
Yeah. And then the Easter Bunny brought Lammy too. I love it. They brought tea. They brought another Dominic Stuffins too.
Wow.
And look, there's another egg. Can you vacuum the footprints for me?
Yeah, I will.
Okay, cause I have to get another egg over there by the panel.
Oh, okay.
I found another egg. It was in my kitchen.
Oh, jeez.
The Easter Bunny hides. The Easter Bunny hides eggs all everywhere.
Okay.
I'll put it back the other eggs. Hey, I gotta go to show you something. On the TV.
Jeez.
Oops. I love eggs, but I can't go to the footprints until I get that other egg.
Okay, I'll stop recording and I will go
Vacuum.
vacuum.
Oh, there's another egg. Oh, and there's another one. I found these eggs now.
You're on a roll.
Oh, look, there's another egg. They have coins.
What do you mean they have coins?
It's for my piggy bank.
Oh! He gave you monies?
Yeah.
Well, that's exciting.
Cause they used to like have coins.
Another egg?
Yeah, it was by there. Oh, there's another one.
Why don't you set them all on the couch right there?
I see another egg.
Wow.
I love my Easter stuff.
Okay, well, why don't you just leave them on the couch there, and I'll go do the footprints, okay?
I see more coins.
Well, just hold on. Okay, I'll go vacuum the footprints, okay?
But don't vacuum baby Violet.
I won't vacuum baby Violet.
Because he's my best friend.
Okay.